In this video, I want to show you one of the best indicators I've ever used for trading. Even without having any price action knowledge, using this indicator, you can trade with harmonic patterns. You can even step up your trading level to reach a reliable and consistent income from financial markets. I'll teach you how to use this indicator and the way you can combine it with the other ones, so you can increase your win rate ratio quite significantly. If you don't want to miss on any important points that I'm going to mention, make sure to watch the whole video carefully. Let's get into the video. Now in the search bar, type auto harmonic patterns and add this indicator to your charts. In the settings, you might notice that in the input section there are many patterns. If any of these patterns form in our charts, the indicator is going to distinguish it for us. Patterns like Gartley, Bat, Butterfly, Crab, Deep Crab, Cipher, Shark, and then Star, and some others. All these patterns will be found and drawn on the charts automatically, so you can recognize them very easily without analyzing the graph and locating the patterns manually. Now in the style section, I disabled the tables option to make my chart clearer and make the patterns easier to see. This indicator scans the chart automatically and flags the existing harmonic patterns and shows them to you with drawing the patterns figure. Using the sell or buy signal shown on the chart, you can enter a trade. Like in this example, that a long signal has been given by the indicator, and also it has shown us where we should set our stop loss to. You can see here that the targets have been located clearly, and you can exit the trade with profit whenever the price reaches these targets. We started this trade at a live market with 1 minute time frame. Since there are too many harmonic patterns, identifying them requires some time, which makes it very difficult in this time frame. But with the help of the automatic analyzing from this indicator, you can identify and locate patterns in no time. It also assists you with the showing the exact entry and exit points, so you can easily exit the trades with profit. We will test this strategy in other time frames on different charts later in this video. Here we got a sell signal on the Bitcoin chart with the 5-minute time frame, and all targets were reached with ease. Next up, in the 15 minutes time frame, the indicator distinguished another harmonic pattern. I set the stop loss to my entry price and the targets to the clearly marked prices. So you could have entered this trade with the sell signal from this indicator and had an amazing trade with a 3.5 risk-reward ratio. With the price touching all of these trades' target, there is no doubt that it would have been profitable. But now I'm going to introduce another indicator to confirm the auto harmonic patterns and increase your trading win rate ratio noticeably. With this indicator's confirmation, you can use this very profitable strategy more safely. Search CCI in the indicator section and apply it to your charts. Then in the Style tab, change the upper band and the lower band to white and set them to solid line. Next, in the inputs, to make this strategy more accurate, we increase the length up to 40. Okay, now our CCI is ready. This indicator is used to confirm the entry signals. For instance, here the auto harmonic indicator has given a buy signal, which has been confirmed by the CCI simultaneously. Based on this confirmation, we could have entered a long trade, and exactly after this signal, the graph has moved towards our desired direction and touched our first target. Let's move on to another example, this time in the 5-minute time frame. Here also the buy signal given by the auto harmonic patterns is confirmed by the CCI, and as you can see, the first target has been reached easily. So this trade in the 5-minute time frame also has closed with profit. Now I'm going to introduce a second indicator for getting confirmation and increasing win rate ratio. This indicator reduces false signals and increases the strategy's profitability like the CCI. So without further ado, search Williams Person R from the Indicators tab. We got to apply our special settings on this indicator for this strategy, so follow the video step by step. Now from the settings of William Person R, in the style section, we set the upper band to -40 and change the display method to solid line. We don't need to change any other option in the inputs. Okay, now the Williams indicator is ready and we can get confirmation using it for this strategy. See, in this example, in the 1-hour time frame on the Shiba chart, we got a sell signal according to the harmonic pattern, and at the same time, the Williams indicator has given us the confirmation. We could have entered this trade and reached our first target without any difficulties, and the price even has almost reached the second target. With the exact signal from the Williams indicator and an amazing 6.8 risk-reward ratio, we could have exited the trade with a lot of profit. Here we got another example. In the 5-minute time frame, you can see the buy signal has been given by the auto harmonic patterns, and exactly at the same place, the Williams indicator has validated it. So we can enter a trade here and set our stop loss to where the auto harmonic patterns has shown us to. The first target has been touched at the moment, and you can stay in the trade as long as the Williams indicator hasn't given an exit signal, so the price might reach the other targets as well. Okay, now here on this chart in the 1-minute time frame, a bullish harmonic pattern has been formed and the indicator has identified that. This pattern is exactly the same one you can now see on the screen, and the indicator has given us a buy signal after finding this pattern on the chart, and I open a long position according to the signal. Now we wait and see if the price reaches our targets or not. Okay, the price reached our second target and almost touched the third one. These patterns that you see on your screen all are included in the indicator, and if any of them get spotted on the chart at any time, you can open a buy or sell position with the confirmation from the secondary indicator. You can also enter the trading positions with getting a validation from the candlesticks, like here the formation of these two bullish candlesticks showcase that a big number of buyers have entered the market. If you want to achieve profits in all of your trades, be sure to use this strategy and the auto harmonic patterns indicator alongside of the assistant ones that I have introduced in this video, so you can increase your win rate ratio up to 100% and make a consistent and reliable profit from financial markets. Before using this strategy in your trades, be sure to do some backtesting on different charts and then use it as a trading assistant. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like. The next strategy is going to be very spicy and profitable. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss on it. Hope you're always profit making and successful. Take care and goodbye.